Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone and Zoom app are up to date. This prevents permission glitches. Once done, mount your phone on a tripod or steady surface to avoid shaky video. Make sure Do Not Disturb is on so alerts don't interrupt. Now open Zoom, sign in, and when prompted, grant camera and microphone permissions. This authorizes Zoom to use your rear or front camera. You're now ready to select your video source and adjust basic framing. Now join or start a meeting and tap video settings to choose your camera. You can switch between the front selfie lens and the rear camera for higher quality. Use the 1x or 2x control to zoom without digital blur. Once switched, frame yourself using the grid or center marker and tilt the phone so eyes sit 1/3 from the top. This gives a more natural composition. Also verify lighting. Face a soft light source and avoid harsh backlight so Zoom's auto exposure behaves. Finish by optimizing exposure and locking focus. Tap the screen and hold to lock AE/AF so your exposure won't bounce during the call. If you want shallower depth, enable portrait mode or attach a lens adapter to the rear camera for better quality. Make sure microphone routing is correct and test audio before presenting. If the camera fails, force quit Zoom, restart the app, and if needed, toggle camera permission in settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.